Hey everybody, time for the shop update here at Woodsmith, and the last one before we hit Woodworking in America next week. In fact, we won't even do a shop update here. We're going to be getting ready for the event and hosting the open house that goes along with it. So if you're signed up, you get to do your own shop update while you're here 3 to 5 p.m. at the Woodsmith Global Headquarters, the mothership. If you're not signed up for Woodworking in America, you still can. Last chance, go to woodsmith.com, click any of the links there, and use the promo code GUILD50 for your discount, and we'll see you next week. Just one update for today. Dylan's out on assignment and Steve's off. We're going to check in with Marc on the progress on his latest project.
Hey everyone, so wrapped up my next project this morning, which was a Dylan Design Shop Notes project, and this is the 3 plywood projects. This is a little different to what we normally do with plywood projects. Normally we do Baltic birch. However, we're going to make this project more accessible, so we've got the plywood from the box stores. So nothing crazy about this. We've got a workbench over here, and we decided to make things a little bit different. Rather than paint the exterior, we painted the interior. No fancy joinery on these. They're either glued, screwed, pocket holed, or pin nailed together. No mortise and tenon joinery on these. We've got a wall hung desk, drawer on the front. Like I said, with the bench, no fancy joinery again on that, just pin nails and glue and screws. And then finally the cabinet. I think the most fanciest aspect to woodworking on these was probably routing this groove out for this V shape, and then afterwards painting it up. This has all got cedar style finish on the exterior, so not lacquering this time. So just making the wood just a little bit yellower orange, just add some finish to it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy about this one. Pretty simple projects. On to the next, which I'm still not sure what that is yet. So I'll be checking in with Dylan and Chris next week to find out my next project. Thanks for checking in.
All right, there you have it. That's it for today's shop update. We'll see you all here next week for Woodworking in America. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.